Hi everyone, welcome. In this project, we are going to make a name badge. As you know, in some companies or in some different places, you see the name label that's attached on people's t-shirt and where you can see their names. So we will also make a digital label this time by using our microbit, and that will show your name by a scrolling text. And after it shows the name, we can also show a smile face to give a positive energy to people. Let's quickly start doing this. Firstly, I will get the forever, okay, from here because I want to continuously do this. And then it's going to show the text, okay. I'm going to write here my school name where I'm working, Yahya Kemal College. This is the best college ever. So now, and this text is going to keep scrolling. And after then, I want to show a heart shape, okay? Or I can give a smile to you, okay? And that's going to stay for 200 milliseconds, okay? Now let's send the codes to our microbit. All right, now you're gonna read my school name right here written. Yahya Kemal College. And then we're gonna see a big smile right here. All right, so and then it will just keep doing the same thing. Now we can also do same thing using Python programming language. As you know, we want to place this directly in a while loop. Okay, let me make the text a little bit bigger so everyone can see. And it will be while true, you know, from previous tutorials we talk about this. That's the loop, you know, that's always repeats the codes. And after we write our loop, and now we're gonna write the codes what's going to be repeated inside the loop. And firstly, I show basic dot text, okay, show string. And what I want to show is my school name. All right, and then we will see one icon, okay, where is the icon? Basic dot show icon, so we will show the heart. Okay, we can show heart also. That will stay for 200 milliseconds with the pause, okay. Let's do this 300, and I send the codes. Now the text is scrolling. As soon as the text ends, it's going to show one heart for 300 milliseconds, and then the same thing will go over and over, okay? All right, we have finished our project. If you want, you can also attach this to your battery box, and then you can carry it with yourself wherever you go. All the best for you. We see each other. Bye-bye.